Building an AI product feels like magic, but it's really just plumbing. Let's break down the 4 layers of the AI product stack. Why should you care about this stack? Well, when your AI starts making stuff up, you need to know exactly which floor is on fire. To fix it, you have to understand the 4 basic layers we're dealing with. To make sense of it, just think of your AI product like building a smart house. Every house needs a solid foundation, some electrical wiring, actual rooms to live in, and a nice painted facade. If a light switch breaks, you don't rip up the concrete foundation to fix it. You just fix the switch. Now let's map those house parts directly to the tech you actually use. We call this whole setup the AI product stack. The foundation is your AI model, which is the heavy concrete that does the actual thinking. The wiring is your infrastructure, acting like the pipes and cables that route data back and forth. The rooms are your app logic, giving users specific spaces to actually get their work done. And the facade is your user experience, which is the pretty panes and doors the customer actually touches. When a user clicks a button, their data flows straight up through all 4 layers and back down again. But there's one big difference. A real house foundation never changes, but in AI, you swap models all the time. So unlike concrete, your AI foundation is totally swappable. Let's look at a real tool that writes sales emails to see how this works. The foundation is a generic text model. The wiring is the cloud servers routing your prompts. The rooms hold the code that adds your specific company tone. And the facade is just a simple text box and a send button. When you type a prompt, it travels from the facade, through the rooms and wiring, down to the foundation and back up again. So what's your actual move as a product manager here? If you just write, "the bot is dumb," in your Jira ticket, your engineers won't know. Instead, tell them the routing layer is dropping requests, or the app logic is missing a guardrail. Own the rooms and the facade, but just rent the foundation and the wiring. Build where the user lives, not where the math happens. See you in the next one.